Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and here I am back. And if you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys know that I of course told you guys that I wouldn't upload, or I couldn't upload any videos here on YouTube because I filmed with my phone died, and I just got the new phone, so that's why I'm here with you guys again. It feels so good to have a new phone and to film and to be in front of you guys. We're going to play with the palette of Morphe that collab with Sour Patch. So I bought the palette, which is right here, and I have the lip gloss. But before starting this video, don't forget to subscribe and let's get started. Before starting with the video and opening the palette, play with the palette, let's learn a little bit about the Sour Patch Kids candies. So these candies were first called MERMAID in the early 1970s. Before the Sour Patch Kids as we know them now, before they were called MERMAID, and that was in the early 1970s. But in 1985 they changed the name into Sour Patch Kids, and that's how we know them now. Who created originally these candies was Frank Galatoli. I'll put a picture over here of him. And also these candies come from Ontario, Canada. So I thought they were from here, from the United States, but no, they're from Canada. So after learning a little bit of history, that you guys know I love learning things from here and there, not too much history on stuff, but yes, just to know a little bit the basics. So now let's go with the palette. So excited. We have the palette. It says Morphe Sour Patch Kids, sour than sweet. It says that it's an Artistry eyeshadow palette. We have over here our little friends. We know basically their colors, and also I did my nails like our little friends. At the side of the box it's green, and as you guys can see, they basically did the same thing as the actual candy. So this is super cool. When I saw this on social media, I was so excited to buy the palette. At the sides it says Sour Patch Kids and Morphe. Also on the top it says Sour Patch Kids and Morphe sour than sweet. I love that it has this yellow green at the sides. And on the back we have our friends over here. It says 18 sour than sweet shades. Love that, so original. So it says pop this open for a good time. From bright hues to fun-filled sparkle, this limited edition palette is a party of shades and colors. Swipe them for vibrant or everyday looks. So excited. I love that it says 18 sour than sweet shades. Love it. Here it says Morphe Sour Patch Kids. We have again our little friends, yellow and with this green at the sides. On the back we have lots of our friends, and it says again Artistry eyeshadow palette. And I already opened this palette. If you guys are new, I will explain to you why, but here is the palette. It is so cute. Super excited to play with this palette again. So here it is. It says Sour Patch Kids. Love this. We have our little friends. Everything is yellow with at the sides with this lime green. So here we have raspberry, orange grace, lime burst, lemon squeeze, blue raspberry, all gone, unwrapped, watermelon woa, pink strawberry, gim grape, serving looks, white pineapple, sugar crust, super sassy, pucked up, party time, total mischief, a major mood. Like I was saying before, I already played with this palette, and if you guys are new to this channel, I have 3 different, so I'll tell you guys really quick. I have 3 different channels, one in Spanish, this one in English, and then one in French. I always, when I buy new palettes, I always do 3 different looks for each channel, but of course I always tell you guys if I already opened it, or if you guys will know when I already touched it or already played with it. So I already play with this palette, and you guys will see that first look on my Spanish channel. So if you guys are new, I really want to say that. That being said, let's play with the palette. So excited again. Of course, we're gonna do a different makeup look. As you guys know, already did my makeup, already applied concealer on my lids. So to set that up, I will be using the color on Wrapped. Really like this shade to set the concealer, because I feel it's not really like this color, white pineapple, but I already play with that one, and you guys know that I don't touch again the same colors. Oh, I like it. It looks nice. It's not the color I would go for, but I like it. Oh, I like it. It looks really nice. Oh, okay. Of course, this makeup, it's gonna be super fun with a lot of colors. So basically, it's not like maybe an everyday makeup look. And then, but also, why not? So the first color that I want to go with is the color Pink Strawberry. It is a super cute color. So I'm going to, I don't know which. Okay, so I'm going to grab a flat brush, and because this makeup, wait, I don't have a mirror. I think I'll use my mirror, the ones that I have right here in front. Okay, so I'm going to use Pink Strawberry, and I'm going to make a line like this. I feel like this one is too small. I'm going to use another one, and we have our little friend over here on the eyeshadow, and I don't want to remove it. Okay, so oh, this is pretty. Oh, I like it. I know this is not the proper way to basically apply an eyeshadow, but you know, we're gonna have some fun. And I'm gonna do the same thing on this side of my eye. I was not gonna get this color, but I'm gonna go with the color Serving Looks. So I'm going to, with the same brush, I'm going to apply this brown next to Pink Strawberry. And okay, I'm gonna try to really put it close to my brows. Oh my god, I'm going all the way down. I'm gonna do the same thing on this side, like that. Okay, it doesn't look that bad. It's just at the bottom, it's going all the way down. I'm gonna go with the color Orange Grace, and I think I'm gonna keep going with the same brush, because I feel like it's going well. Love the Sour Patch Kids. When we go to the movies, I always grab my big popcorn box, or the big one, and I know it could be a lot, but yeah. But anyways, I share it with my soulmate, but okay, that's not the point. So when we go to the movies, besides my popcorn and my drink, I always like to have a candies. I have always been like with a sweet tooth, so I used to grab the box of M&Ms, but it's been a long time that I changed, and I go always with the Sour Patch Kids. So yeah, love those candies. And right now we don't try to buy a lot of candies, because the little one goes really nuts with the candy. So I need something to brighten it up. I feel like those colors are too dark. I use yellow, so I'm gonna grab Lemon Squeeze, which the yellow one I think is my least favorite little man. I always like to eat the yellow, no, not the yellow, what am I saying, the red and the blue, but the rest is, and oh, and also the green, but the orange and the yellow, that's the ones that I don't like to eat them. So I'm going to apply this color basically on the inner corner of my eyes and going up. You know what I feel like with these colors? I feel like when the kids do like arts and crafts at school and do the feathers of the turkey with another. So I apply some mascara just to have my lashes ready before applying my falsies. So I'm just going to blend the colors or the eyeshadows on the upper part of my eye, basically on my crease, so it makes more sense the makeup, because of course we're not gonna go out or leave the makeup like this. But I just want, you know, to leave the lines of the eyeshadows like this on the lids, just to blend the crease so it makes a little bit more sense. But you guys know that this makeup, it's just to have fun, like the Sour Patch Kids. And yeah, so before moving on to the falsies, I'm going to use a color that has a glitter, and so I'm gonna go with the color Super Sassy, the one. So I'm going to use a mirror, and basically I'm going to the line really close to my lashes, but kind of make a little bit thick. But when I put the falsies, you can see this line. Remember, this is just to have fun, okay? If you don't like this type of style of makeup, it's fine, but it's just to play with makeup. I think that's the point. Fun, because on makeup we don't have no rules. You can do whatever you want with makeup, apply it however you want to apply those shades. So I like how it looks, the pink. And I feel like to go with the rest of the makeup, I'm going to go again with Pink Sassy, which is this pink, and I'm going to apply it underneath the eye, just a little bit more than halfway, because I want to have the eye kind of open. So I'll leave that. And then on the inner corner of the eye, I'm going to use the color Pucked Up, which is a darker pink, and I'm going to use this on the inner corner of the eyes like that. Oh my god, I feel like this makeup was more pinkish. Okay, so now let's move on with the lips. We're gonna finish up with the lips. Here we have the lip gloss. It says Sour Patch Kids and Morphe. We have this little green friend, and at the bottom it says lip gloss. Again at the bottom and at the top we have this pink color, and we have these watermelon candies. So I believe this is from the Sour Patch Kids in the flavor watermelon. The back it says lip gloss, limited edition watermelon scent. The top, this lip gloss is called Watermelon Sparkle. And here we have the lip gloss. Love the packaging. Love the little cap of this lip gloss. So different. It's a different shape, and at the top it says M, of course, from Morphe. We have this lime green color, and it is transparent. Love it so much. And the fonts is so different, Sour Patch Kids and Morphe. Love those details, super cute, and it's really appreciated. At the back we have these two little friends, and we have the name, which is Watermelon Sparkle. So we're going to apply the lip gloss. It has the scent, you can smell it. It doesn't bother me. It smells good. that's it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. We had so much fun with the Sour Patch Kids with Morphe. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and I'll see you guys on the next video. And I'll leave, of course, the links, the other 2 makeup looks that we did with the Morphe and Sour Patch Kids. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.